All right, Stefan, Father Kelly's. Just some thoughts on variations. First, keep it simple. I mean, you don't have to do crazy things to just provide a little bit of, kind of a little tickle to the ear to kind of keep people just a little off balance. That opening phrase where you're coming down from a B and then you come down from a C natural. There's a couple of little simple things you can do with that. One is just what you might find on a piece of paper that instead of holding that C natural, maybe do something that echoes what happened on the B. What would that be? That so there you've got a little thing you can do. Maybe one time through you go. The other time is. Oh, I like the E better. No, not the F sharp. I think maybe I like that one. This is what you do. You just kind of take the tune and come up with some thoughts. That might be a bit much. But okay, we'll go back to the beginning. So just try some ideas. Okay, coming back to the B, and then the C is those kind of two little descending runs. Let's take a look at a couple of different ways to do it. One is another way to come down from that B would be, and that echoes that da da deedle dum ba deedle dum ba diddle diddle da ba deedle dum ba deedle dum ba deedle dum ba. That might have been a bit much. That it's just fun. Just play around with it. Okay, just mess around, have some fun. Kind of mess around with these ideas. That B part, that have some fun. Sit down for an hour and just see what you can do. And remember to think in terms of arpeggios on that last bit, that all you're really doing there is, those are just notes in the G chord. So you can go, just try. Blame it on the whistle.